It is cold out. Let's go inside and drink vodka.
No, Victor Ramudri specifically said stay outside and guard base complex. Look out!
Oh!
Alright, boss, I'm in the safe house. What do I do next?
Go 4 steps to your left. Your other left.
Congratulations on your last mission. You did exceptionally well. This is B. He will give you your new weaponry.
Hello, you're B? Yes. More Asian than I thought you'd be. Yes, I am in fact an Asian. Why is your tie cut like that? This is why. Anyways, here are your firearms, sir. The most girly gun I've ever seen. Well, it is specially designed for you, sir.
I'll take it! Later, G!
It's B!
Whatever.
Your mission is to infiltrate the terrorist group, play their poker game and win, so they cannot get their funding. Then eliminate the terrorist group. You'll be impersonating this man, Alex Dupree. He is a multi-millionaire foot surgeon. Good luck on your mission, Agent Lightning.
Please sit down, Mr. Dupree.
Deal me in, guys.
Welcome to the game, Mr. Dupree.
Small blinds are 1 million, big blinds are 1.2 million. Mr. Dupree! Bets, anyone?
Raise.
Call!
Raise.
A raise. Why 9,000?
What, 9,000? I raised over 9,000.
HQ, what does the scouter say about his bet?
It's over 9,000! It's over 9,000! It's over 9,000! It's over 9,000!
It's over 9,000!
Now the pot is really
Getting huge!
Oh, Bob Saget! I'm out. Looks like you're out of chips there.
Shut the front door!
Well, Mr. Dupree, it seems you have lost the game.
Think again.
Well, Mr. Dupree, or should I say, Mr. Lightning, Boris Hrishnikov, get him! It's just you and me, Mr. Lightning!
Wonder what this button does.
Whoa!
HQ, mission complete!
No, Victor Numudri damn it! That hurt.
It's like impossible to reach your face.
Oh, sorry.
Treat.
Please sit down, Mr. Dupree. Just do that kids thing whenever you... Alright,
like a monkey.
quiet on the set, please. Yeah, noisy on the set. Alright.
Stop!
Shut up!
Ow! That's
It's
hard!
recording, shut up!
Ow!
Shut up!
Damn it!
Okay.
Oh, shut up! You broke my toe!
I don't care if he went and bit off your...
HQ, mission complete!
Yeah, we got crap happening over there again.
Yes, Sean.
HQ, mission complete!
Oh my god! Alright, again, don't move that, that's perfect, don't move it.
The light kind of glary.
No.
HQ, mission complete!
Oh my god!
That was good, that was good.